Is with what to look out for.
Joe, residents should be keenly aware of so-called charities that pressure people to make a quick donation.
Well, Rob, no question that's a red flag. You have to check on those charities before opening your wallet.
It's just the calls for help. My phone didn't stop going off, and I didn't know what to do.
Mary Marigliata is finding it hard to hold back the tears over the devastation in Texas caused by Hurricane Harvey. But now this 35-year resident of Spring, Texas, is fighting back with a donation drive here in Cleveland through Mira Family Charity.
We have family and friends that have been wiped out of everything they own.
That's why it hurts this family to discover the Summit County Sheriff's Office has issued this warning about con artists using fake websites and social media accounts to dupe unsuspecting donors.
It's awful. I just can't believe that people would take advantage of other people in a situation like this.
Is this for real? Is your money really going to go to those people?
Cleveland's Better Business Bureau is asking donors to do their homework before they give and beware of callers who try to pressure them into making quick decisions.
So if somebody is using intimidation or really pulling at your heartstrings and saying we need the money today, we need the money now, then you might want to look for another place to donate.
And beware of email and social media links that take you to bogus copycat websites.
Watch for imposter websites that could pop up, trying to pretend to be someone like the Red Cross.
Donors are instructed to check on charities by logging on to give.org, protecting them against con artists trying to cash in during this highly emotional time.
I mean, I am trying my hardest just not to fall apart, because that's all I've done for the last 3 days.
And Mira Family Charity says cleaning products, brooms, fans, baby diapers, old phones, phone chargers, blankets, and towels are needed most right now. A link to Mira Family Charities posted right now on news5cleveland.com. Reporting live here in Cleveland, I'm 5 on Your Side investigator Joe Paganakis.
Joe, thank you very much.